Hey guys, we are back with another RV tour, and behind me we have this Grand Surveyor 302 RDBS, meaning really darn beautiful surveyor. No, I'm just kidding. That's not what it means, but this really is a beautiful floor plan and you're not even going to believe the value. Let's check it out. Surveyor is actually one of the most popular brands, and that is because their attention to detail. So starting in the kitchen, you see they have the black and gold hardware on the appliances with the removable faucet, and also with their cupboards, the glass is tinted black, and then they have their gold handles. It really just gives it that bank for your buck kind of feel. You think you're spending $1 million when you're really not. You also, in this kitchen, have hooks. You can hang your mugs, your hand towels. You can make this your own little bar cart area with putting your cocktail glasses above, mugs on the hooks. Get your little Nespresso or cocktail making machine, whatever you use, right here, and it's all within reach for you. And still focusing on that attention to detail that Surveyor does, with this bar you have the live edges, along with this being a perfect view to the TV. In this day and age, not a lot of people want to eat at the dinner table. I know I really don't. So you really get the best of both worlds. You don't have to sit on the couch and risk spilling your dinner, but you still get a view to that TV. And before we move on, last thing we're going to notice about this area is the quantity of outlets you're getting. You get 2 USBs and 2 outlets on one side, along with same as on the other side. So whether you need to charge your phone, work from home, get homework done, you have plenty of space to charge all the devices you need, and you don't need to fight about it. And if you think I forgot about the rest of the kitchen, absolutely not. Here you have your essentials with your refrigerator, Furon microwave, and your gray stone oven, along with your 3 stove cooktop. So many drawers for your appliances, silverware, along with extra space here. This is good for pantry food, snacks, or whatever else you keep in your pantry. Now to the living space. If you thought at your next camping trip that you're going to want to be outside playing around, wait until you see the rest of this living space, because after you see this, you're not going to want to leave. First, you have your dining area. So just like the view from that bar, you also get a view from the TV at the dining table as well. And oh my gosh, this thing is comfy. Oh. Whew, I almost forgot we were recording, but these recliners are so comfy. Do you see that bounce? Oh. And this is a couples coach, but that doesn't mean you can't bring some friends, because right here, if you come down, you see this is an easy open trifold sofa. If you just take your hands and you lift here, isn't that cool? And just a neat little feature with this trifold, if you fold this down, it keeps your pillows from sliding through the crack. And I know if you've ever slept in a fold-out bed or hotels or whatever, the pillow just keeps going and going and going until you're sleeping on the straight mattress. So that's really cool. And check out, while I put this away, if you maybe think you're a weak person, this is super easy to put back as well, because when you lift it up, I mean, I'm barely touching it. You see that? In the grand finale of the living space, first you have your go-to fireplace. So if it's too cold outside, bring the fire in here. You have this big speaker for all the parties you're about to throw. I heard in the grapevine, Country Fest is coming up. So take this trailer to Country Fest and you have your own party, your own little pregame going on in your Surveyor. And you have this little charging station. You also have it on the other side of the TV as well. So again, let's keep it on the party train. So many people need to charge their phones. Their phones are dying, oh my gosh. You got your outlets over by the bar, and you have your outlets over here. And if you're thinking, I'm not gonna get the best view from the table, I'm not gonna get the best view from this sofa over here with the sleeping space, don't worry, because this TV you can actually pull out as far as you want, and you can angle it to whatever view you need. And the bathroom, just like any other bathroom, you got your sink, your medicine cabinet, you got your toilet, your stand-up shower, with the skylight, so you have tons of headroom. Bill! We are now in the master bedroom, and starting in this closet, it's your average size closet. Obviously, we have an extra chair in here. It's nice, you can store it in here, And when you need it in the living space in that dinette, you can take it on in there. Or you can put it right here in your own little desk in your own room. And real quick, before we move on, let's go back to this closet and just notice you have your washer and dryer prep. I always say washer and dryer prep in a bedroom is the most convenient thing. I think even just normal houses should do that too. It's genius. You have your RV King, super comfortable with your storage above and reading lights above your head as well. Here you have your dresser. You can also hang up a TV if you would like. I know TVs in a bedroom. I would want one, so I think you should want one too. Whew. This closet is chef's kiss. Come check it out. I'm just gonna sit and check out the inside. You have cubby space, you have shelving space, along with a rod to hang up all of your clothes. So if you are worried about needing to pack light in this Surveyor, you don't have to worry about it. And there you have it. That is the Surveyor 302 RDBS. This Surveyor is super hot on the market, so you gotta get it before it's gone. You can get it at Avalon RV Center in Medina, Ohio, now a part of the RCD RV family. See you then.